Resia Ceylon Cinnamon is being promoted as a natural solution to regulate blood sugar, boost metabolism, and improve overall health. But the real question is whether it actually works, or if it's just another overhyped wellness product. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, is a real spice with some research suggesting mild effects on blood sugar control, especially in people with insulin resistance. However, here's the key point. The effects are modest and not strong enough to replace proper medical treatment. There are some positives. Ceylon cinnamon may slightly improve insulin sensitivity, may help reduce blood sugar spikes after meals, is generally safer than cassia cinnamon due to lower coumarin levels. For general wellness, it can be a reasonable addition to your diet. That said, there are important limitations. First, weak evidence. Studies show small and inconsistent improvements, not dramatic changes. Second, not a treatment. It cannot regulate blood sugar on its own, especially for conditions like diabetes. Third, branding versus reality. Resia does not appear to offer anything unique. It's essentially standard Ceylon cinnamon with health-focused marketing. Fourth, dosage matters. Benefits, if any, depend on consistent intake and proper amounts, which many products don't clearly standardize. So, does Resia Ceylon cinnamon regulate blood sugar? Only slightly and not reliably. The bottom line is this. Resia Ceylon Cinnamon is a real product with mild potential benefits, but the blood sugar regulation claim is overstated. It can support a healthy routine, but it won't replace diet, exercise, or medical care. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.